December 22nd, Carimi Kreyol, the beats. Nous tout dans Amazura. Nous allons faire Christmas à l'autre année, ça 22, dans cadeau. December 22nd, Amazura, Carimi will be there, Kreyol, the beats will be there. Nous tout à place, so rendez-vous, fire.
22 décembre, tête chargée. Pour barrer qui fait tomber New York One Show. 22 décembre, J-Beatz, Carimi Kreyol là. Pour barrer qui fait toujours fait. Nous barrer cadeau Noël la bonne année ça. Nous attendons tout le monde Amazura, 22 décembre. Pas oublier, mais les petits ménages doux, qui est tout ça qui est devant, et puis côté au monde.
What's up, people? How you guys doing? This is your boy J-Beatz, and I'm here to invite you guys to this party, December 22nd. J-Beatz up in New York City for the first time ever. First time. Up New York, Kreyol, Carimi J-Beatz live, Amazura. The Beats, my band will be there live. It's gonna be crazy. Ladies, come out, enjoy. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell another friend that Amazura, December the 22nd, it's the place to be. So I see you guys there. Just love you. It's getting late.
Ladies and gentlemen, Saturday, December the 22nd. I repeat, Saturday, December the 22nd. It's going down real crazy in Amazura. A Christmas gift for everybody. Alright? Carimi Kreyol, and for the first time in New York City, J-Beatz. DJ, of course, there's only one, and it's gonna be me, Dj-Stakz, the Haitian King of New York, the Haitian King of the world, the Haitian King of everything. Alright? It's going down. Come unwrap your gift. It's gonna be crazy, and you might get to unwrap something else. Holla at me. Dj-Stakz, December 22nd, Amazura.
Je te jure. Pas de boulot. Je vais laisser check